Morning, May 28th, 10:27, and just published this idea on Bitcoin, and it's basically the wyckoff accumulation kind of a bottom, right? So you got your main down thrust and your bottom here around 29,800, and phase B, no test, no test of this low right here. So when was this? May 20 to May 27, basically a week. So chopping around up and down here, 33,700 to 40,000. Again, chopping up and down. And then phase C, test all lower supports. So lower supports would be around these areas, right? And we're kind of doing it right now, or just did it. And so probably another a week or so, maybe a little bit less. Sometimes it could be only 2-3 days, and we've got the weekend coming up, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So when would Monday be? Monday would be the 31st. 31st. It could be quick. Just chopping around. This could be compressed. I don't think it's going to last the full week, but you never know. You never know. So, and then, but test the lower supports, but it's not. It's still kind of sideways, right? Sideways, but with a downward lean. Phase D, change in character from sideways chop to assumption of a uptrend. An uptrend is what? Higher low, higher highs, higher lows. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. And now you're what? January 9th, about 10 days away ish. And you're attacking these old, this kind of reaction high. And so that might also take a day or two to play out. And now, boom, kind of reinvigorated, and you're making highs. Coming up to 50k. Potential. This is all potential, right? But it kind of makes sense. This has been a long, savage down thrust. I think it's kind of playing out, petering out, right? So let's have a quick look around. Dogecoin, kind of my indicator of the health of the market, right? Is doing better than Bitcoin. Let's have a look. What is going on? Dogecoin. On the 4 hour. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad, right? If you kind of do that. Some sort of pennant is forming. Pennants normally break. Neither direction. The key is, do you have any clues to which way? You can even tighten this up. Boom. If TradingView allows. Something like that, right? So you see the Bollinger Bands really tightened up. It's called up like a spring. I would say, in my estimation, this could go before Bitcoin. It could go before Bitcoin. Let's have a look. Kilo. So if you take that high, maybe around here, right? And potentially, if we start performing here, what does it take us to? How many sats is that? Is that 14,000? 0.000. So there's 8 zeros in a Satoshi, right? Yeah, but anyway, potentially from here, what are we at? Is that called at 8,700? 8,700 to 14,600. Basically a double against BTC. Potential, but doesn't look too bad, right? Doge. Let's do log. yeah, we will see. You don't want to take out this low, obviously, at 24. I think it's holding steady at 30. 30 seems to be 30 cents seems to be kind of a stable floor for Doge. 30-minute chart. Auto. Again, it's kind of looking at like a wyckoff pattern, right? Your initial down thrust, your retest. So that's phase A, right? Phase B, piercing down again, but not getting down to this low, 20 cents. Now phase C, just chopping around with downwards drift and getting into these lows, 29 cents, potentially 27 cents, right? But not getting down here. And then phase D, what? Maybe later on today, tomorrow, the weekend, it starts making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And what? What is this? 43 level. 43. Potentially for a few days away. Potentially a few days away. Yes. I'll say that. It's good low. What is this? Yeah, again, 30 cents. So maybe a little bit more, one little downdraft, but maybe not quite get down to it. Maybe that was it. Okay, let's have a little quick whip around. Ethereum, ETH 2462. 2462. And this is the old Head and Shoulders. Wow. Look at that. Drop, pop. Again, it's gonna take a few days to repair, right? Head and Shoulders is negative. I talked about in my video, $400 ETH. Man, that was like a week ago, right? That was peak pessimism, peak savagery. So we'll see. Again, what's this? LTC bull. LTC 172. Let's look on the daily. Yeah, again, 18-day average way up here at 250. Let's look at the slow stochastic. Yeah, looks like it's curling over. Maybe it doesn't get into bear territory, but just kind of remains oversold and starts recovering. Something like that. Okay, I think I'm just gonna call that. Make a quick video. That was it. Cheers, guys. Thanks. Take it easy. Balaji out.